A story of forgiveness and redemption, the journey of a former criminal to becoming a model citizen. John had always been a troublemaker. Growing up in a rough neighborhood, he was constantly getting into fights and getting into trouble with the law. He had a quick temper and didn't care about the consequences of his actions. Eventually, his behavior caught up with him, and he was sentenced to serve time in prison. While behind bars, John had plenty of time to reflect on his life and the choices he had made. He was filled with regret and remorse for the harm he had caused to others and to himself. One day, a fellow inmate introduced him to the Bible, and John started to read it for the first time in his life. As he read, he began to understand the teachings of Jesus and the message of forgiveness and redemption. He realized that no matter what he had done, God still loved him and offered him a chance for a new life. John's faith grew stronger with each passing day, and he started to participate in the prison chapel services. He found solace in prayer and in the company of other inmates who shared his faith. He also started to volunteer for various programs and initiatives within the prison, helping others and giving back to his community. Upon his release, John was determined to turn his life around. He got a job, started attending church regularly, and became involved in his community. He used his experiences to help others who were struggling, offering support and encouragement to those who were in similar situations. Over time, John's reputation started to change, and he became known as a responsible and caring individual, who was dedicated to making a positive impact in the lives of others. John's journey from a criminal to a model citizen was not easy, and he faced many challenges along the way. However, he remained steadfast in his faith, and was constantly reminded of the grace and forgiveness that God had given him. He was a testament to the power of redemption and the transformative impact of faith. John's story inspired others and was a source of encouragement to many who were struggling. He showed that no matter what mistakes we make, it's never too late to start over and to turn our lives around. He demonstrated that with the help of God and a little bit of determination, anyone can overcome their past and become a better person. In conclusion, John's journey of forgiveness and redemption serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative impact of faith. His story shows us that no matter what we have done in the past, we can always find hope, forgiveness, and a new beginning with God. May his story inspire us all to seek God's love and grace, and to strive to become the best version of ourselves.